I can't handle this temperature. It is crazy hot out here. Good. Are we in focus? No, you see, Adams, as a matter of fact, morning people, morning, big up on yourself. Welcome back to the channel. We get some positive energy first. So before I actually tell you what this video is about, when I start the record now, I see the brother walking, and I say, oh, Chan must start. Chaja. God bless him still. Go pray for him. We pray for him. And pray for yourself. Pray for everybody. Chaja. Well, anyhow, people, big up on yourself. Blessed morning. Welcome back to the channel. First time over here. My name is Akin. So in this one, as a matter of fact, I'm in Montego Bay, St. James right now. I'm in Montego Bay, St. James. Pit 4 to be exact. The reason why we're in Montego Bay is so we can pick up Lexi. Can you recognize our people? Yes, so that is Lexi. I don't know how I catch the BTS, but I will see what go on. Continue. Come on, man. Forward with me. Oh, remember if you like the video, if you're first time over here, definitely subscribe. Do all of the good things them. Share it on your social media platform. I'll get into the video.
If you like more like it. Don't take it as an advantage. No, because the girl are crying or something that means you go.
If I only chance I get to take it.
Talk to me about that scene there. Introduce yourself first, because I don't know who you know.
You see.
Hmm?
You see what I just do?
Yeah.
No, I think introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about what just happened.
Okay. Hey guys, good evening.
Hold on. No, it's like I want transformation, like I want total different smart chip now. Like.
Yeah man, that's it.
I camera.
Fierce, confident person just come on screen.
Okay.
Ready?
Really long time.
Hey guys, good evening. Greetings to you all. I'm your girl Lexi the best. You can call me Lexi. And I'm here with Richard Brown. You know, we're filming a video, we're filming a movie, and the movie is about a friend zone. Like, I keep on put my friend in a friend zone, but really and truly, I want me and a quiet. But I want my man, you know, and my man me want, I don't really want him because I have him as a friend. And we've been friends for around 15 years, or him can't tell him, because I've been really a couple of years then. So.
And
Here, I'm gonna break my heart.
what? Sometimes make it stronger. What much of things? F. Yeah, man, all the time.
Fuck up things. Oh, okay, so nobody.
Yeah, all the time.
F-U-S.
Yeah, you mess up things sometimes. Most time. If you do it the wrong way.
But I personally think the men out there, if the lady's crying to you because of what her boyfriend is doing, do not take that as an advantage. I consider you guys as weak men.
Yeah,
don't do that.
Unless you can make the situation better.
Listen, don't listen to Maya. Don't listen to him. That's not nice.
Just like revenge something there. When you go revengeful and say I will do it and now you get the best love or best thing you can ever find.
Listen, if she doesn't, alright, remember you're not a friend. If she don't want you and she want her man and her man keep on probably abuse her and if she not push it on to you and say, listen, no man do me this, so I think you're the one. If she not do that, nobody force her and take advantage.
She's not going to do that.
You have some women who will do it.
Why they would do that?
Like, alright, I'm not saying I'm going to push up in her, but if she not, if you don't say she not really make no move towards you, and she just have you as a friend, just stay as a friend.
You ever hear of
No,
but
friend.
it's unfair though. It's unfair.
Remember, you guys are friends, so not because the lady get abused, that don't mean nothing change about the friendship.
Come on, guys, tell us something. If I a ball and you are my female friend, come give me something. Yeah, come give me something, but can do me something.
Because I'll be like them.
Alright, you ever hear a female talk about one guy when never see as somebody when I'm there with
Yeah.
yuck! Oh my god!
Yeah. that's true. That's true. That's
You know
true.
what I'm saying? So if you don't see us that, you now see us that. You can't now see us that.
But we're not talking about the girls who see the other boys as they're nice. What about the nice ones?
You still not see somebody who not like them.
No, friend zone is real, you know.
I see you or something.
Friend zone is a zone.
It happens daily, every day.
Alright, if you have, not your friend zone alone, you have like your wood zone. You come from the same era. Oh, but not everyone from my era. So don't come one man say so. Yeah, I just people don't.
That's true, but I don't like it either.
No, the other man from my era. Maybe come from the same.
I don't want him.
You know, a million times. So many times man take you me better than.
He's gonna be on the streets with other niggas.
But
I don't want to see him every day.
So but tell them it's somebody we know.
You better tell this man.
You can still know him and out of port, you still know him.
No, let's see. Say better than this man you know from morning.
No, that is your opinion.
Yeah, but no, not my own man. You see,
Your opinion.
You know, if he's smart, you know what he do and when he bad and when he do. If you're a good girl, do your thing.
Yes,
girl.
but 90% of what you're saying that doesn't happen on a daily basis. If I realize that in a certain community, the boy them go to poke, go carry their girlfriend, the man and the woman them go to poke, go look their man or go get.
So really you not chat out the movie?
Not if I'm moving.
This I just wanted to surface our
Yeah, you know, that's a little summary. I just had a little summary.
Oh,
But
Zane.
fire, on the other hand, I don't think you should take advantage of the situation.
It's not advantage.
It is what?
If you enjoy, it's opportunity to enjoy.
It's not opportunity and it's taking advantage of the lady. That means that inside you don't care about her then.
Me care about
You
her.
just want to get toward me.
No, me care about her inside. So I massage it. Now massage her inside, I care about it.
Alright, listen up. It's not about the inside now, it's about
We go after
how
first
she
again.
feels. You don't care about her emotion. She's
Yes.
hurt.
More.
So if she hurt, the way not to solve it, you don't use sex to solve it. You caress her and you're like, okay. You make some breakfast.
She's like, put on breakfast in the bed here. When she done, she alright.
Alright, listen.
She not tired, she not tired then. My friend, my car if you want to go till you get over where you get over.
But you don't have to use sex to get over it.
No, I know, but so many times when you do that fast forward. You're done. You don't have to just start laugh tomorrow.
What if she don't want the sex? She consider it as rape. Cause she
No,
already
I'm not rich. No, you see, man, I said we did not do that. You're not forced to say But if you did that.
But remember, she can't push on herself by you.
No, but remember saying that woman is supposed to push, you know. A man, the time for man push, but the time for a man push.
Guys, I'm not gonna do this.
Woman receive. Can you come back I say neck?
Alright, so people it basically turn on a conversation about relationships. Alright, then we'll come back to you know. But
No,
make them have them time and come back. No, come back. So what me wanna know now, Zin? The shooting experience so far. Like a scene or a shoot, how was it?
It was good.
Feel comfortable, feel like you work around people you work with.
Come here, you can't see that.
That's an actor's job. You're gonna work around persons who you don't know.
Okay.
So, just like an athlete, you're around with persons who you don't know. So, same thing.
So,
And I see what she did very convincing with the crying. Because when me there behind the camera, me like,
it's almost
and she really into it, like.
And I
you know.
could have done better, you know?
and people me think me shine another one because
No,
I really have something for me, you know, friends one thing, from birth, you know, friends
You're
one
right,
thing. So,
right.
Say, I was like, put that first.
yeah, man, I have the experience, I have the experience.
Already?
Yeah.
So you should, then if you have the experience already, it's nothing for you to play then.
Tonight, may I say?
Yeah.
Alright, step out.
Action. How fast you pass them?
No,
That's the way.
no, that's right. Papa is not. Empty, they not show. Alright, just step back down, look, you see? Eh? Step back down, you not show, man. You go step back down, you can't walk in.
Let me have a
Yeah, and then go straight in. Action now.
Rolling. Rolling or not rolling?
One. Come on, come on. Come on, come on.
Chin.
No, actually.
You like it for some?
How long are we?
Holy.
Tak payah nak cuba light, Papa. Papa light, no.
Then I was angry at you, sir.
No, light.
Oh.
I don't need to do that, just turn it on. Oh, upstairs, just stay with me. Downstairs? Oh, well. Will you lock out?
Go back. Go back.
Yeah. Let me come on, present to her.
No, she.
She first, that's that.
Yeah, they're gonna pick up and package here tomorrow. Somebody's gonna deliver something in a
Oh, well, you cannot say, hey, what I'm browning? And this is a good thing to see you.
Yeah. Simple mathematics.
I may have something to pick up tomorrow.
I want me to have to pick up tomorrow.
No, she goes.
Me have a package.
Oh, you don't talk to me.
Yeah,
Me
take
never
her.
there, so me I beg you for receive it from me.
Okay.
Yeah, man, pull it down.
You can outside, alright?
Yeah,
man.
ready, let's go.
So I take a walk down there, town.
Let's go.
Reverse.
Let's go.
So me must have a cover.
Alright, close back your door. Close back
Alright, let's
BTS
go.
channel.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Close the door, close the door. Come, brother, watch it from there. Come, brother. Alright, ready now, Lexi? Okay, stop. Shit. Come on. Stay with me. Alright, let's see the focus. Alright, so you're at the jar right now. You are stop her, so go back in and Yeah. So go back in and come back right. Stay right here.
So we can put them in my garden.
Stay right there. Let's stay right there. Ready now, Lexi? Curious, me one time you see up on the bed. Open up your door.
I'm bed, daddy.
Oh, sorry, I think this is smart. Me never know. Go back. Me never know who me there. So me there looking at back. Alright, ready now, action.
Burning. Long time I see.
Girl, I say, girl, I work on here something there.
Alright?
Eh, so I look so.
Come quickly. Come on, wipe off this again. Yes, shine. I will sweat like a walk.
For the time hot.
Alright, so take about the bag and put it.
Hello. I understand how some man vex anytime I say hello to nobody, but it's alright.
Whoa, wait. The whole of your one.
Alright. Control yourself.
Come here, we find this action.
You know, man, you control yourself, man, and kill him out. So turn him up again like you're going in here. Come, close again. Okay, double action.
Hey, girl, you know, say I work on this something. So I you look so. Girl, I'm here to cry.
Why would I cry, Brownie? Hello? Hello? Yeah. Yes. Long time. I'm
Okay,
actually
how
I'm
old is
sick, so me call her.
How old is him? Come on, like this one.
Alright?
Yeah, so she action, so you look so way I cry. I said, no, good man. I said, I'll take a walk up down the road. And then I'll tell you something.
I know.
Wipe our face again. Just keep it working here. You may not want to shine out.
There's something wrong.
My nail look shiny there, so I talk to you last week.
Yeah, but
You have balls, it's supposed to look so.
Oh,
Oh, that's a good. Oh! Nothing, do that.
action.
We don't have it.
Remember someone in the camera, she
You're in a camera, come
You're
on.
in the party of music.
Come on, say, I'll do it, Arabic. Alright, ready now?
I'm telling you, sir.
Shh, ready now, Lexi?
Why would I cry about him? Girl, I know my friend them.
No, you're gone too far. No, she said, why me I cry? No. I said, okay, if you say so, then go to the part where you're
Okay, we
outside.
got the kind then.
I am neighbor, and she and really friend.
Okay.
Oh, man, Charlie.
If you say so.
You just pick up your phone, she said, well, when I cry.
No, you said that already, so.
She said why woman are crying.
Yeah,
Alright.
she couldn't just go right back to say, why am I not crying? Then you can say, okay, you say so, and then tell her about the package.
Okay.
Tell her, wait for me. And you're not hurry, I'm hurry.
Don't worry.
Slow it down, man.
Yeah, stuff like that.
Yeah, slow it down, man, slow it down. And ready now, the camera. Over from the camera. Ready.
Okay, if this is still, but anyway still. Tomorrow, 12 o'clock, I get one package and I'm not going to here because my dentist when you receive it from me.
Oh, you want me to collect it then?
Yeah. Alright then, basically.
Anything specific we need to know?
Well, I'm going to accept the signature and stuff, so you can just put Ackeen now.
Alright then, alright. I'll do that.
Alright then.
Alright.
Look at my hair.
Alright, Brownie.
Yeah.
Lock the door, Ronnie. Come up, your backside. Come up. Lock it, we're going near the house. Lock the door. Come up.
Yeah.
Alright, so go right back to where you pick up a while ago and then she said, well, she's not walking.
So she
I'm
come
just
back
not-
here.
But you will lock your door too.
Wait, do it. Yeah. Go we do. Ready?
Yeah, ready to do it. Alright, and ready.
Yeah, then I'm going to say.
No, go back to where you said. If you say so, go back right back to it.
Okay.
Action.
If this is still, but anyway still, I'm going to receive a package from me. Tomorrow, 12 o'clock, I got dentist. So if they ask any little thing, I just put my signature I.O. because I'm not going to be here.
So you want me to collect the package for you?
Yeah, simple as that.
Anything specific we need to know?
Where's something?
Want to see me, if I get bun.
Alright, come on. Alright, so let's.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to feel so, anything I need to know, speak it out. Are you want to? It look like everybody you want.
Oh, make.
You want Harry, you want Tom, you want Sam, you want...
She's not the time.
Yo, what are
She's
you
not the time. Alright, ready?
Papa, why you never Alright. The Papa, tap dancing because you throw me off right now. Those guys are serious. Like the man is gone. So, alright. Go back in and say, alright, no problem, we pick it up and just close the door. Later.
Ready?
Later. And ready.
Alright, no problem. As I say, alright, Ackeen?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, we pick it up.
Alright.
Alright. Take care.
Alright, good. I'm just get on far walk. Carry light.
Then I get my mail at my door and go in.
Yes, won't get you. Wait. I have
That thing
your
won't jump on the road.
No, you don't follow me, you don't have to do it.
Come back, Akin. Come back. What's it actually?
Remember the lock?
So me go in and lock my door and she walk out.
Yeah.
Lock the door again.
Yeah, man, same thing. And action.
Later.
Alright, good. Alright, so good. So I'm curious, so I'm good on my town, right? Curious, Akin, you have a shoe there and me go up. Change my shirt.
She have
Alright.
my phone?
Well, can mic come, Papa? You have a holy mic. Right on.
Oh.
So one I do, because I do understand. Meet and greet.
Meet and greet.
So lock off me coming on today, you know.
See her, go away, when she sits up on one place, I look,
Why lock off this thing?
What can I talk to her? Like kids and go.
I don't lie at that.
Alright. Make it fast, sorry, they're going to look like
Oh.
I can be a man with eyes that look at for a long time.
Yeah, the noir.
Yeah, noir, the eyes that look at. And thus the opportunity time come now.
So that will get out.
She didn't like him for a long time, but she did have a boyfriend, so she now will talk to him because she have a man.
I always have a girlfriend.
Which is about weird, but she after her boyfriend is gone, so I'm
I always have a girlfriend, so your girlfriend
so I
will
can work
come
on
to you.
weird. I can just work on a weird bomb. It's alright, but we can get a chance because we're next change number.
Okay.
So you can back the normal.
Come on to the people and like,
Over next time now, do normal. Yeah,
Hey, what's up?
Let's tell my wife and you.
yeah, man, long time it's sound weird, you know. Come on, it's sound weird already.
How have you been?
Yeah.
That's what
I'm not
I'm
no
saying.
man if they want to breathe.
You say you wouldn't be normal unless you're single. I hope you're single now.
No, long time.
You know, a long time.
Like we have time more, you know. But someone who just work on myself.
My right hand that is flip me out.
This is my left
But
hand.
you know to try to make you laugh.
That's
You
why I break up.
can tell a little story.
No, I'm never engaged. I'm not sure they were engaged and all this.
Then propose then, no?
No, you see,
I said to my woman to me, you know, you can't just try to multiply again. I said to my woman to me, I love her so much. So now I
break your nose still, but you're not done now.
same to my woman to me, you know.
We're not
But my
friends.
woman saying go spend 1 year of
And you not come back.
I don't come back.
1 year, turn 2 years. And she won't spend 6 months.
I don't really know what's going on over there, so people look like some of the place burned down. Yeah. Zoom back out. Good evening.
What the fuck? When that one down?
I don't know.
I never miss it on TV.
I recognize our people.
No, I see your house burn down on the television. I wonder if it. So nobody live over there?
No, I have no clue. I just noticed it just like you. So, yeah, we'll start with this young lady. Alternative. You know, I like you. I like you. Yeah, alternative. Alton, I'm correct now.
Alton. When this burn down?
So we get her now on movie, guys. But more on she if you tell her where she get from the movie because. You want a video of me?
Yeah.
Alright, do you think?
Alright, oh no, yes, sir.
Yeah, but it's a record already still.
Clear, though.
Me not focus?
But this clear.
You sure me not focus?
This on A76 camera, same thing. Right?
No, that's on Akin. The one we are talking about on Sony. The people blame her later for hold the camera.
Alright.
So, where they interview me?
Want me to press for start record?
Not a record already.
Alright, ready. Yeah.
Question.
Hey, what's up?
I'm being questioned by Lexi people. First question.
What's your name? Your full name?
Akin Lawrence.
Any middle name like Akin?
I have 2.
Can I get them?
Ronaldo Vernon.
Ronaldo Vernon. So why you have 2 middle name? I mean, it's normally 1.
Them say one story there behind it, but them say my parents left out one story right there. So people always tell me. So I figure something what all time people know about, but I not research it yet. But
Can I ask how old are you?
30.
You're 30-year-old, right?
Yes.
May I ask? Can I
They can ask me anything.
anything?
Anything.
You say you're a police, right?
Ex-police.
So many things are still police.
You see them out the road, you help me up so.
No man, I thought like you're still a police. So you do resign?
Yeah.
Why?
Then call me runway police.
Why you resign?
A long story that.
Anything negative?
Holy. Remember the police? Next question.
The police were then catching on the bus with the lady.
No, not the ice cream police. Not that one.
Alright, so what did you do?
One long story. They did all over the news. I think all over YouTube. One live up to that.
With you? What you did? Me not here. More here now. At least give me a summary of it.
You're rough. I can't say it right now. I can't say it. That one a long story. I have to start talking to you about when I used to work at Moby and transfer from myself.
Alright, so were you a blue seam or red seam or what?
So, when me graduate, I never have no blue seam no more because them to do a merger thing. So
what did you, when you train, what them train you for?
I'm a regular police, so...
That are in the red seam where stop car?
I'm a traffic police.
Okay, so you never do no wrongs then? You never go for no shootout or nothing?
I go for resilience duties, yeah. But the thing I'm trying to explain is that me could have been the one out there would have stopped the vehicle them same way.
Yeah.
Regular police, same way probably.
Did you enjoy your job? Don't say me I cut you.
Them usually say that about me too. So me always cut off people. But they don't understand. Anyhow, yeah. If I miss it, or if I enjoy,
Yeah, if both of them miss or enjoy.
sometimes I miss the traffic perks them. I miss. And then normally some place I go there and show you ID then just let it through.
Yeah.
I miss that.
What about how many kids do you have? If you have children, I may ask.
Yeah, the question I get personal, I have 2
But
sons.
what about if the viewers want to know if you have kids?
2 sons, 1 daughter.
Oh, you're fire shot, man. No more.
Yeah, 1 more baby girl.
You have 2 sons and a daughter. So you want to be 2 girl and 2 boy. Okay, so are you currently in a relationship, Mr. Akin?
Single like a hit record.
Why are you single?
I know I'm probably not put myself out there. Busy.
Put yourself out there. So you're on the market.
Yeah, I'm there on the market.
You just put yourself out there like say it's a piece of meat.
Yeah, so that's why you go. So put yourself out there. I'm single and want somebody probably should not do that. You know?
Alright, so what's your plan for now? I mean, what's your plan?
You know then
Like-
say, you move in a silence when you do certain things, but there is a plan. Definitely there is a plan.
Not even piece of the plan we can get. Why so mean and
It
stingy?
involves cinematography, camera, movie making, and all of that.
So
Something
what are you now? Since you resigned as a police, what are you doing right now with your life?
cinematography.
Can you explain? I don't know the meaning of that.
All aspects of filmmaking. So whether it's advertisement videos, music videos, shot a couple of weddings, even some music video make it onto trending, YouTube trending.
Oh, so you do music videos?
Yes.
So if I have a song and I want to do a music video, I can link you.
Definitely.
So do you have a organization working with, or you have a team for yourself personally, like for you, not you working with anybody else, just a entertainment like for you, like for instance, or you work with other people?
Same way, Richie, so there's a whole network of.
Oh, so you work with Richards and all of them.
Alright, how it works is, so you have your website where them book up if them want weddings or whatsoever. Probably you, there's somewhere busy one day, Richie know me, him say, oh, take that one for me. And you know how it go. Little gigs in the road and them kind of way.
And you're happy with what you're doing right now?
I am.
Any emotional breakdown at some point in life?
Yeah, sometimes I remember some things, me and some people I miss. You see, I say, oh, John, say it never have to go so. And then more time, I really cut it sometimes. So. But apart from that, good.
So, Mr. Akin, I'm gonna call you by your first name. What do you enjoy doing apart from, cinematic things?
Alright, it's hard.
Okay, you must have
I
something.
like this though. When the camera is not on, I still like this, interacting with people.
What else? Anything else fun?
I just like explore, meet new people, go new places, capture it, watch it back later and reminisce.
So when you were younger, this is what you wanted to do?
Always arts, because usually paint, make music from ever since. Yeah, so from ever since.
So how about your family members now?
How many?
How about your family members? How are they doing right now?
One next long story again. Then I say, only way I can describe the family thing. I don't have the words right now.
You don't have the words, why?
Yeah, I don't have the words right now.
Okay then. So have you toured everywhere in Jamaica? Where and where you never go yet?
I go all 14 parishes, but I never cover all 14 parishes.
Introduced to you.
Yeah, I get
Hello.
interviewed by Lexi.
I read it now. Look at this. I'm interviewing somebody.
And the light.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Lexi the best, and I'm here.
I get
Okay.
interviewed by Lex. Any more questions like that?
I want to ask you some more question. Do you see yourself doing something else apart from what you're doing now?
I like this, and the fact that you can get paid by doing something you like, it's the most amazing feeling. It's difficult, but it just don't feel difficult, isn't it? Because you like.
Because them always say when you find yourself doing what you love, you'll enjoy it for the rest of your life, and that's facts.
The thing is, I know I won't be able to do this for the rest of my life. There's going to be a point. If I live long enough, I probably have to stop doing the video. So that is where the plan that I don't want to talk too much about comes in.
Oh, you don't want nobody know what you're going to do to follow you.
Them move in silence.
A true man, a true. So, have you ever think about doing something else? I think I asked you that question already, but what about doing like a business? Whatever come to your mind when we talk about business wise?
Alright, I have a forward thinking, so I think about Bitcoin. I can't really afford it right now, but I think about it, so I try anything I do. I always keep that in mind.
Hey guys, what's up?
$1 one side.
It's one of the on the same live. Really? Hey guys,
Yeah, I get
I'm
interviewed.
filming. I film my film.
Yeah, I get interviewed. Yeah, I get interviewed.
I
Yeah, so
will.
yeah, Bitcoin. I just invest in some like a business where people have to use probably at some point some apartment. But I feel like I expose the plan a little bit. But somewhere else.
So tell the people where you grew up.
One place in called Strawberry, but there are no strawberries there.
Strawberry in which parish?
Westmoreland. Not Shrewberry, Strawberry.
Strawberry.
It's not really a popular place. You know, far up in the country.
Oh,
where
right
people
up the
think
south.
say alright, let me tell you how that country that's still. If you bring your laptop up there and them hear the voice talking a lot, them think of demons. And them
What the
kind
fuck?
of country there, them far country there.
In a Jamaica?
Yeah,
them
man.
people, them places exist. I thought them something only I'm not 80.
Jungle justice, if you go there and rap nobody,
Then kill you or then you can't rape up there. No rape, nothing. Well, that's good at least them defend themselves. You know, some community things happen and everybody turn a blind eye on it. You know?
Not that one, then kill you. I actually witnessed something like that already. Christian people too, you know, with their ratchet knife.
Right. Alright, so you do YouTube videos, right? So what inspired you to do YouTube?
A white brother from Canada named Peter McKinnon.
There's a lot of white dudes on YouTube who are very famous.
Peter McKinnon.
What kind of vlogs do we?
Well, him
Structure.
get in depth where the editing aspect of it is concerned. So Premiere Pro, that's the editing. Adobe Suite. So then have Premiere Pro where you use edit videos and export. That whole part of it, the technical part of him, he does that. So he teaches you how to do that video and photography. And the way him teach it is just seamless to me and I'm passionate about it. He use it as one way of expressing yourself.
And you watch him like every day.
Whenever I post. As in post,
You watch it.
yeah.
So you're a loyal fan to that guy. So how far are you planning on going with the YouTube?
Tell
we-
you honest truth, although I love it.
You don't plan to go far with it?
No, alright. Here's whole thing going on. It's like this. So, you know what you need to do to get better, right? So,
Yeah.
you keep on practice what you do every day. So that means filming and, studying everything. So, you know what you need to do to get better every day. So, you do that and kind of forget about it. So, you're on autopilot where that is concerned.
Yeah.
So, you enjoy yourself while you're working on the plan. So, the end game thing. You see me? So, that's how it comes along. It's like every day I do what I enjoy, and that thing that I'm enjoying is helping me to get to the end part of the thing, which are the plan. You know, so you should have done one detective.
Why you say that?
Come in with the question them.
Alright.
Like anybody will listen, this video, if them really want to find out what I'm up to, then could have probably find out by the question them we ask so far.
I asked you a lot of personal questions, right? Did I ask your age?
Yeah, 30.
So how old do you think you look?
Probably 45.
Oh God, you don't do that. Really?
Probably 45.
Have you ever think about singing or DJing?
Me used to do that.
You never tell me about that. How was that for you? How did that work
I used to
out?
play on my church choir, but church thing, alright, me have to stand for something. So church people, I know they start get confusing. You see me? So like, I never really know what they stand for, so the whole choir thing never make no sense to me again. So that time I start the DJ now. And then the violence thing still never worked for me. So start paint.
Okay, so Mr. Akin, can you cook? Because you know we ladies in
Something.
Jamaica like our men. When them up, you know them bad chef. So what can you cook?
Chicken, can fry it, those
Remember you love pork, you know.
can't cook.
Cause my sister you love pork, so you
Yeah, I cook
must.
pork.
You can't tell me that.
No, I can't. Man,
Why?
I need to learn.
No, but to a man who love pork, so you're supposed to can do it every way. Jerk, curry, brown stew, roast. Come on.
I just can't feel like something have all that time.
So you cook though, like you cook. You're a cook. You don't, because you know certain men not like cook. Them afraid for cook. Them say a woman job that, and I don't think so. As a good husband materialist,
I
most
feel
you can
like I
cook.
cook as often as I get junk food.
Do you drink a lot? Are you alcoholic?
But I smoke something.
What do you smoke? Tobacco, weed?
Marijuana.
Isn't marijuana and weed the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Marijuana. And you never take no drugs apart from marijuana and
Drugs apart from marijuana. You know, say a police and me start smoke.
So in the forest, can you smoke?
Yeah.
Have you ever fight in the forest with another police?
No one nearly stabbed me up though.
Really? How was that?
Yeah. Me tell a story up on my old channel. Long story, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So I know, I don't know if you know, but the police and sex for the barracks and thing.
What? Like,
Yeah, police and the barracks and they bring their girlfriend over sometime and then sometime.
oh, them bring their woman pan the ends them.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
but they have this
But
police.
most
and-
guys, they not sleep at their yard sometime.
So me have his police, so I call him house. Then, so my girlfriend come check him, I want to feed him bridging now. We have my bridging same way. We walk, go down the hallway. So we hear like one woman a scream in our room. So the first sound I hear, I assume say, oh,
That's six.
that's a go on.
Yeah.
But when we listen now, we say, no sir. So I go see the door now, I see the boss of my woman with a chick knife and sitting there.
I stab her, him stab her already?
No, like him out for stab her, you know, you see me, so we call out to him. And he look around now, I don't know him in some kind of raising, run come hold and like my run come hold and for me, I say I don't have to talk to him and flick out in ratchet knife. And I say, so if him bridging now, if he come around and hold him and tell him to easy.
Oh.
Yeah.
So why girl do him so?
Why, I don't know, you know.
That's why they see them police say that's why woman afraid for them with them, you know. Because the first thing comes to mind is violence. No matter how the woman treat, I don't think you're supposed to like take out.
I always
You know?
say that, I always say that too. Like, you know,
I don't think that's supposed to happen.
yeah, I like them question. I think I first somebody interview.
Somebody interview like this.
I mean, I always do interview.
How else me can ask you now? Ooh, my boy them come.
I'm ready now?
Then just come.
Alright, so perfect timing.
Yeah,
Let's switch on to your interview now. Come.
My face one pat up now. So now come. But yeah, Eddie you did well.
So, Lexi that from 876 just run the first interview on my channel. Interview me. What's the then reach? So them I film one movie. I'm supposed to play some best friend to Lexi. So she friend zone I think the movie name.
Get too much subject, go to college, come out and still have to work at call center, brother. Now work now they have to do with their subject and their degree. What you tell me, say?
Hold on there. I see him live on the pan. Come here, Lexi, ask if I see him live on the pan. I never realize. How I go?
Let's figure out how they're going to stay alive. We're having a discussion about education or elevation. Which one carry to life?
Why, I don't know still.
Which one?
I don't know.
Because you
Money.
can have 15 subjects and have no money, you know.
Yeah.
And the man who have no subject have more money.
You know how much people education and suffer?
Exactly.
It has to be elevated.
Exactly. I'm not going to talk about education.
No, you're crazy. You're crazy. Remember, you're crazy. After elevation.
Elevation take it to life.
Elevation.
Yeah, not education.
Listen, you can have nothing at all.
I have
And
everything.
have everything on elevate. A whole heap of people out there don't have a person, but what? Them have more than the rich. Them have more than the.
The system, the Jamaican
Which system?
system.
Enough business with
enough
the system.
people
And
that
that
go
much
to
we are
college.
getting about the system too much.
Enough people go to college.
The system couldn't make me poor.
Hey.
All if me have one subject,
Yo.
couldn't make the system one below. You're crazy.
If you tell some people how
I'm a
Jamaican
hustler.
system, if you tell some people
Yeah,
overseas
like
how
that.
Jamaican
Yeah.
system stay there, ball your water and then leave you.
No,
That me
you
a tell
want the system.
That's why the people them are run where go foreign. I be a runner them
Bad
run
man.
where.
Me not comfortable, brother. Me not.
Yeah, see, because all of them something that really affect me kind of hard for jumping at them kind of conversation. Because I don't think politics or government are don't control how me make money. That just all depends on me. Mr. Lexi over there pretty up. So, when I have two questions too much. We understand about the movie where I shoot.
If friend zone is a friend zone thing, so I'll be like, me a friend zone a boy. That happen every day in Jamaica. You know, friend zone.
Well,
Yeah.
say your friends one boy.
Right here. Hi guys,
The people in the here.
welcome back to Jamaican family.
Yeah, my family. Okay.
Which part with the Akin? Where we are?
I don't know, I'm just there, you know. I'm just there. Richie, I tell me about the Whitehall. Oh. No, man, give me. No, give me Pepsi now, I'm not telling you Pepsi. Come in. Come in, give me Pepsi. It's already a record.
Ready.
I say zoom in.
It's already a record.
Yeah, but you zoom in though.
No, press no button.
Me not press nothing, love. Yeah, peoples. We are here. Jamaican family, Richard Brown, Akin Lawrence, Alton. Alton, whatsoever you want name. Curious boss.
She's not even looking at the camera. She's not even looking at the camera.
Lexi family.
Look at lean in the camera. Tap in the camera. Hold it straight. Hold it straight.
See, if you take up the camera, hold it properly.
Yeah, I know how to use it.
Yeah? If you take up the camera, hold it properly.
Alright, Papa.
I can't tell to hold properly.
Yeah.
Okay, and now we have a new somebody.
Hey, Papa, I love you full live right now. I make no money out of
Tell back the camera.
So, big up yourself for that segment. Thank you very much, miss. Yeah, man, so people, I'm going to shoot them now, so later.
Bye guys, peace out.